How can we take this single-stage painted car and bring it back to life? I mean, is it even possible? Check it out. With different stages of compound and polish, a detailer can remove all contamination and oxidation from the car's paint. A detailer does more than clean your car. They have the knowledge to know what products to use, what pads to use, how long they can let the buffer go before burning through the paint, and how much pressure to apply. Our passion is cars and making our customers happy. With 25 years in the industry, we have obtained the necessary knowledge to transform and restore any vehicle to showroom condition. At Ultimate Auto Detailing, we take pride in the work that we do, as if every car that comes through our shop is autographed by our employees. At Ultimate Auto Detailing, your car's appearance is art.